Hello my amazing supporters, how are you all doing? I hope fine. So guys, in today's video we're going to be making schnitzel. Yeah, in case you wonder what is schnitzel, just watch it to the end. You understand how I made this food. This food is a Dutch food, it's a German people food, and also Austrian. Alright, as long as you're German, you can get it in a restaurant and they can make it very well for you. So I just want to show you guys how easy you can make your schnitzel. So I'm going to be using 5 pieces of sliced beef. All right, you can use beef, you can use a pork meat, you can use chicken, you can use turkey. Depends on what you have at home. All right, as long as you just slice it very tiny pieces, you are good to go. So now I'm going to be pound it, and I'm going to smash it to make sure it's it's flat and also it's soft. Then when I'm done, I'm going to be using 3 boxes of eggs. Yeah, just smash it in the plate. Make sure before you start this recipe, make sure you have lime and at home, because trust me guys, schnitzel without lime is not correct. So guys, here is the lime. I'm going to be adding my lemon, teaspoon of lemon. Then this is the fresh one. I'm gonna be slicing that for another purpose later. So when I'm done mixing the egg and I make sure it mixes very well, so I'm going to add a salt to my flour, and I'm going to still add black pepper. I want it a little bit spicy. It's optional guys, so I'm going to add liquid maggi to my egg, so to give it a wonderful taste. And you're gonna mix it very well. Make sure you mix it very well, so that at the end of the day, some parts of your food just start tasting salt and some parts will be tasting black pepper. So that's why you should mix it. So when we are done mixing it, first we put our whatever you're using, chicken or beef or pork meat, you just put it first on the floor that you've mixed already. So make sure the flour coat it very well. So this coating is really important. Okay, you coat it very well with flour before you put it in the egg. All right, after the egg, before you can transfer it to like that one is a blended bread, dry bread. They call it semi-bristle. So it's a dry bread. So after, if you don't have that, you can just make do of your bread at home, like you have non-sugar bread at home and you don't have already made, you can just blend yours and you are good to go. So this is how we're going to coat everything. So this is how it looks like. So now I'm just going to add some oil to my pan, and yeah, when the oil is hot enough, I just start coating my schnitzel. Yeah, this is how it look guys. You know, the way it look, it smells really so well. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also share my video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by, and this is your first time of coming across this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much guys, we appreciate your support. Bye for now.